anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in to our channel. We are getting ready to do the Bean Boozled challenge. This bad guy. So husband over there is going to play along with us. And it's a very nasty game. It's a very nasty, disgusting game. So we're gonna see who can eat the most of the nasty candies.
Peach
or barf.
Ew. Oh my god.
Peach or barf?
He's a barf.
Yeah.
Barf.
You think? Okay, try it.
Barf.
You sure?
Is it good or nasty?
Good.
It tastes good? It tastes good? So it's peach.
Oh, he got peach.
I think he got barf.
You got barf?
I think he got peach.
I can't tell.
You got barf, buddy? Is it good? Yeah? He probably got peach. Okay. What do you have?
Boogers or juicy pear?
Boogers. Ew.
There you go.
I'm the one.
They have a green one.
I think that's boogers. I think. Booger. You see that? Boogers.
Ew. What it taste like?
This is disgusting. Like that. I'm spitting it out. I need to. Next is Jordan. I like beef. I'm not.
You like barf?
I like barf.
Peach or barf?
My turn. Next one is my turn, then your turn, or Jason's turn,
What does it
or
say?
Jordan's turn. Butter popcorn.
Better popcorn or rotten eggs?
Rotten egg. No, that's booger.
All right, Jason.
Boogers.
What do you got?
I think I got boogers.
What do you have?
It's boogers.
No, there was rotten eggs.
Rotten egg?
Rotten
Okay,
egg.
so Jason ate all his.
Spin.
No. Barf or love it.
You have
Barf or rotten
stinky
egg?
socks or tutti frutti?
Stinky socks. I'm getting one more barf.
Mm-hmm.
I love barf. I want to get blueberry.
What it tastes like?
Look at the camera. It tastes like boogers.
That's tutti frutti or stinky socks.
Tutti frutti.
Oh, okay, good job.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it is.
What did you get?
Juicy pear or booger?
Just a pear or boogers. Let me see. Oh, ew.
They got
Ew.
boogers. What does it taste like? Boogers.
Juicy pear.
Oh, you lucky little thing. Okay. Oh, please be something nice.
No.
Lime or lawn clipping?
Clipping. Clipping. Oh yeah. Clipping.
Oh.
Boogers. What is it? Boogers.
Lime or lawn clipping?
Boogers. You get over it, mommy. You get over it. What's that? What is it? You spit it out or you pick it? It looks like you're gonna spit it out.
It's lime.
I think it's lime.
Lime.
No. This is lawn clipping. Ew.
Want to spit it out? No, it's not.
Ew. No, I eat it.
Who's next?
Jackson.
Oh.
My little man is next.
I
Oh.
don't want to get Captain America.
Right, spin the wheel. Oh, you have. He has caramel corn or moldy cheese.
Moldy cheese. Moldy cheese.
Caramel corn or moldy cheese.
Ew, that's disgusting. Ew, Jackson. But I think it's good. Good. I knew it.
It's good. You're getting all the good ones.
How?
Or you just love candy. Destiny, your turn. Come on. Spin that wheel, girl. What do you have?
I have
chocolate pudding or canned dog food. Ew. Ew.
Which one? She get the brown ones?
Mm-hmm.
Give some dog something.
Here.
Dog food.
Ew.
Dog food. No, lime.
Lime?
No, I think I'm definitely.
You know what it is? Y'all just like candy. I think they just like candy.
Does it taste good or bad?
Good. Nice.
I think they just like the candy. Daddies.
I don't like the candy.
Alright, Daddies, your turn.
No.
You got caramel corn or moldy cheese.
I think my prize is gonna be Captain America. No, that is.
Is the right one?
Go, Daddy. Yes, yes, that is the right one.
Why does it have dots on it?
Eat it, Daddy. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it.
Moldy cheese.
Ah!
Oh.
Okay, it's my turn. I'm the oldest in this house.
Oh, it's awful.
Juicy pear or booger?
Ooh.
Ew.
Oh, good time.
Ew.
Daddy.
Daddy,
Daddy, spit it out.
I don't want to eat this.
Eat it, eat it,
Moldy
eat it.
cheese is nasty.
Juicy pear or booger? If this is booger, I'm going to vomit. I'm going to vomit.
Mommy, get over this.
Okay, okay, I can do this.
Yes, you can. You believe me.
Nasty.
Yeah, we're getting goldfish after this. Can you get this What is it, Mommy?
And the taste just lingers.
it because I get goldfish.
Juicy pear! Juicy pear! I got it!
Yeah, you got it.
Turn. Jackson.
Can you still taste the dog food?
Yes. I can still taste the I can still taste my first one. I don't know the name. It's stuck in
Peach or barf? What is it? Peach or barf?
barf. I love barf.
Yeah. You just said you love barf. Bethany, come on. Spin. Okay, what did baby girl get? Butter popcorn or rotten egg? And those are the
Booger. Yeah. Rotten eggs. Rotten eggs?
Yeah.
There's two new ones.
Butter popcorn or rotten egg?
Who was got butter popcorn? Ew! Ow!
What you got?
Rotten egg.
You sure? You're still eating it.
That wasn't me. Yeah. Rotten egg.
Okay.
You didn't go.
No, you're old. You're younger. It's younger to old.
Did you get run?
Okay, do. What do you have? Coconut or spoiled milk?
Ew.
Haha. Enjoy. Enjoy.
Mommy, I need to get that spoiled egg. I still. But it tastes like me.
Spoiled milk.
Ew.
Like
Ew.
crackers, okay.
Ew. Ew.
Second one.
That's
No,
disgusting.
mommy.
It's your second one.
Oh, God.
Oh man, it says
Mine
strawberry banana smoothie or dead fish.
Ooh. Dead fish.
No,
I need
baby, you
some
can't wait for that, mommy.
No, you look like right?
Oh gosh, here we go.
Yeah, Mommy. You regret this. You can get goldfish after this. My prize better be
Strawberry smoothie.
My prize better be Captain America.
Your turn.
I think my prize is gonna be Captain America.
Coconut or spoiled milk?
I'm gonna bring it out.
Here.
Say it,
Okay.
It's disgusting.
Mine's too right.
You like it? I think it's coconut.
They're not getting none of the bad flavors.
I got bad flavor. I did.
Moldy cheese.
Caramel corn or moldy cheese?
Here you go.
Wait. Moldy cheese.
Ew.
No one else has to do it up with
Jordan, come on. Ew, your breath stink. That is definitely milk, spoiled milk, boy. Over here.
I got.
Oh, you guys gonna have to brush
I
your
got
teeth.
dead fish or spoiled milk. What it tastes like, dude? I think we got spoiled milk and dead fish. Oh, morning cheese.
Daddy, it's your turn again.
Wow. And next is your turn. I think that's getting the worst one in spring.
Run, egg.
I think we got butter. Enjoy! Daddy, I think we got butter popcorn. I believe in you. Eat it.
Eat it. Eat it. You can do it.
Yeah,
You can do it, Daddy.
Yeah, you get your prize. I'm getting my Captain America. That's my prize.
Oh.
I'm getting the Iron Man because that's my prize.
What is it? Ew.
Rotten eggs.
Ew.
I know rotten eggs. Spit nothing out. I want my prize.
Okay, butter popcorn or rotten egg? Okay, rotten egg or butter popcorn?
I think I got butter popcorn.
Rotten eggs is disgusting.
Yeah. That face reminds me. You got rotten eggs.
Disgusting.
What'd you get?
You got rotten eggs. My turn? Mommy, you're not getting your prize.
Oh, it's disgusting.
What is it? Rotten eggs.
It stinks too. Smell it.
Somebody open the goldfish. Open the goldfish.
You know water? Wash down the rotten eggs.
Ah!
How come?
I don't. You just eating candy because I didn't even tell you what to eat. Ah! Babe, I smell dog food. I smell rotten
He got
egg.
it. He got dog food.
You guys can have that. I'm done.
So I can eat it?
I'm done with this game. I'm not eating no more. That's it. Done. So, with that said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed our Bean Boozled challenge because I'm not eating anymore.
Bye.
You want some?